Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to see third term, first chapter number system, exercise 1.3. Okay. So see that the first question is find the product of the following. Okay. See this are decimal numbers. Now we are going to see the product of the decimal numbers. Okay. See now here 0.5 multiple 3. So you know that 3 5s are 15, isn't it? Here how many decimal places? Only one decimal place. So you put the decimal point after one digit. So the answer is 1.5. Okay? Okay. Now see that next term. So see here 3.75 multiple 6. See what comes here? 6 5s are 30, 3, 6 7s are 42, 42 plus 3 is 45, 4, 6 3s are 18. So the remainder is 4 no. So 18 plus 4 is 22. Okay. So 22. Now we see here how many decimal places here? 1, 2. 2 decimal places. So you put the decimal point here after 2 digits. So now we move to right to left. We move right to left. See 1, 2. 2 digits. So you put the point here. So the answer is 22.50. Okay. Okay. Now see here 50.2 multiple 4. So here this is 4 2s are 8. Then 0 multiple by 4 0. Then 5 4s are 20. Okay. So how many decimal places here? Only one decimal place. So you put the decimal point after one digit. So what is that answer? See 200.8. Understand children? Good. Now we see the fourth one. So here 0.03 multiple 9. Here how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. Okay. Okay. 9 3s are 27. So 2. So 27. Okay. So here 0 0 no. So 9 3s are 27. Here how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. So you put the decimal point after 2 digit. See, move right to left. So 1 2 2 digits. So you put the point here. Before you put 0. Okay. 0.27. Understand children? Good. Now see here this sum. Fifth sum. See here 453.03 multiple 7. So 7 3s are 21. Isn't it? So here 0 is there. So you write 21. Okay. 21. Then 7 3s are 21. So you write here 1. Remainder is 2. So 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 2 is 37. So 3 is the remainder. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3 is 31. Okay. So see here how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. You put the decimal point after 2 digit. So from right to left. From right to left. 1 2. 2 digits. So you put the decimal point here. Okay. Understand children? Good. Now see here 4 multiple 0.7. 4 multiple 0.7. So here 4 7s are 28. Okay. So here how many decimal places here? Only one decimal place. Okay. So you put the decimal point after one digit. So listen carefully. We put the decimal point right to left. We count the decimal places right to left. Okay. So the 8 point. Okay. So here 2.8. Understand children? Good. Children, let me see. Exercise 1.3. Second sum. Find the area of the parallelogram whose base is 6.8 centimeter and the height is 3.5 centimeter. Okay. You know already the area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram that is equal to BH square units. What is BH? B for base and H for height. Okay. So here what is given base? Base is 6.8 centimeter. Okay. Then the height is 3.5 centimeter. Okay. Now multiply these two numbers. See. What do you multiply? 6.8 multiple 3.5. Okay. See. 8 5s are 44. Then 6 5s are 30. 34. Okay. Then See here, 8 threes are 24, 2, 6 threes are 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. Okay. Now what comes here? 0, here 8, 3, 2. So how many decimal places? See, here 1 decimal, here also 1 decimal. So 2 decimals. So you put the decimal point after 2 digit from right to left. You count right to left. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so 23.80 centimeter square. So what is the area of the parallelogram? That is equal to 23.80 centimeter square. Understand, children? Good. Now we see here, find the area of the rectangle whose length is 23.7 centimeter and breadth is 15.2 centimeter. So what is the area of the rectangle formula? Yes, good. So area of rectangle that is equal to L into B. L into B square units. What is L? L means length. Okay. B means breadth. Okay. Length into breadth. Okay. So now substitute here. What is length? 23.7. Multiple. Your breadth is 15.2. So centimeter into centimeter. Centimeter square. Understand, children? Good. And now multiply this. 23.7 multiple 15.2. Okay. So 7 2s are 14. Remaining 1. 2 3s are 6. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So 2 2s are 4. Then here. Now fifth table. 7 5s are 35. 3 15. So 15 18. Remaining 1 10 11. Okay. So now one table, so that is 7, 3, 2. Okay, see now add this, here 4, here 12, remaining 1, so 5, 13, 20, remaining 2, here 4 already, 4 plus 2 is 6, here 3. Okay, so now count how many decimal numbers, here 1, 2, 2 decimal. Okay, so you put the decimal point after 2 digit, 1, 2. So from right to left. Okay. So 2. Okay. So what is that answer now? See, 360.24 centimeter square. That is the answer. Area of rectangle. Now see. Exercise 1.3. Fourth topic. Multiply the following. Multiply the following. See, it's a very easy. So you write 257, then this 10. Multiply by 10 means 10 you have to add. Okay. So here how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. So you put the decimal point after 2 digit. So the answer is 25.70. Okay. This is one method. One more method. See. So 257 multiple 10. This one you have to write 252.57 multiple 10. You write 257 by, here 2 decimal places means you can write by 100. Okay. So multiple here are 110. Okay. You cancel 10, 10 cancel. Okay. So this is equal to, here 257 by 10 means here denominator of 10. Okay. So you put the decimal point after 1 digit. So 25.7. Okay. This is the answer. Okay. You can do any one model. Okay. Okay. Now see here. So this is 0.51 multiple 10. Okay. So 5, 1. Here you add 1 0. So now how many decimal places here? 2 decimal places. So you put the decimal point after 2 digit. So what is the answer? 5.1. Okay. So okay. Now see here. So here 1. See 125.367 multiple 100. Okay. So how do you write 1, 2? You remove this decimal point. You write all the numbers 1, 2, 5, 3, 6, 7. And here how many zeros here? 100 means here comes 2 zeros. Multiply by 100 means comes 2 zeros. Isn't it? So you put the 2 zeros. Okay. Then here how many decimal places here? 3 decimal places. So you count 3 places. 1, 2, 3. Right to left only. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So you put the decimal point here. Okay. So the answer is 12536.7. 0.7. Okay. So that is the answer. Understood, children? Good. So no need to write this 2 zeros. Okay. After decimal point, the zeros no value. Okay. Good. Okay. So how do you write here? 12536.7. Okay. Good. See here. So this is 3, 4, 5, 1. 2 zeros. Multiplied by 100. So you put 2 zeros. Okay. So here, how many decimal places? Only 2 decimal places. So put the decimal point after 2 digits. 1, 2. So here, point. Okay. So here is 0, 0. Cancel. So now what is the answer? 3, 4, 5, 1. 3451. Understand, children? Good. Now see this fifth one. See here, you write 62735. Remove the decimal point and you add this 2 zeros here. Now you count how many decimal places? 1, 2, 3. So put the decimal point after 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So here put the decimal point. You cancel these 2 zeros. You get 6273.5. Okay? Okay. Now see here. This is 7. Okay. Remove the decimal point. Here 7. Then here multiple by 10. So you add 1 0. Now how many decimal places? Only 1 decimal place. So put the decimal point after 1 digit. You cancel this 0. So what comes the answer? 7 is the answer. Okay, children? Okay. Now see here. Here, see 3. So before 0 also no value. So just you write 3. Here 0, 0. Multiplied by 100 means that is 300. Okay. So now you count how many decimal places here? 2 decimal places. So you put the decimal point after 2 digit. 1, 2. So here decimal point. You remove these zeros. So answer is 3. Okay. Okay. Now see that 8th one. 0.4 multiple 1000. Okay. So how do you write here? So this is 4. Then this 1000, no? 4 into 1000, 4000. Okay. So how many decimal place? Only 1 decimal. So you put the decimal point after 1 digit. So you cancel this 0. Okay. So what comes in that answer? 400. Okay. Understand, children? How to multiply the decimal numbers? Good. Children, now we see exercise 1.3, fifth sum. A wheel of a baby cycle covers 49.7 centimeter in one rotation. Okay. Find the distance covered in 10 rotation. Okay. Understand the question? The baby wheel cycle covers 49.7 centimeter. Okay. One rotation covers the distance 49.7 centimeter. Okay. So, find the distance covered in 10 rotations. 10 rotations. Okay. So, what is given here? See, solution. Distance. How do you write? Distance covered by one rotation. One rotation. That is equal to 49.7 centimeter. Okay. So therefore, the distance covered by 20 how much? 10 rotations. 10 rotations. That is equal to, see. So here 49.7 centimeter multiple 10 rotations. Okay, multiple by 10. Okay, so the unit is centimeter. Okay, now write down here. So 497. Here I have 0. So only 1 0. 10 multiplied by 10. So you put the 1 0. Okay, here how many decimal places? Only 1 decimal place. So you put the decimal point after 1 digit. Okay, so you cancel this 0. So 497 centimeter. Understand, children? So the distance covered by 10 rotations, that is equal to 497 centimeter. Okay, good. Now see the sixth one. A picture chart cost rupees 1.50, 1 rupee 50 paisa. Radha wants to buy 20 charts to make an album. How much does she have to pay? Okay, so here what is given? See, solution. See, cost of a picture. Cost of a picture, that is equal to rupees 1.50. Correct, children? This is given in the question. Okay. Now you have to find out the cost of 20 charts. Okay. So picture chart this one. Okay. So here cost of 20 charts. Okay. So this is equal to rupees of 1.50 multiple. How many charts? 20 charts multiplied by 20. Okay. Okay. Now this is equal to, see here, 2 zeros you put, then 2 15s are 30. Okay. Now count how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. So you put the decimal point after 2 digit. So 1, 2. Put the decimal point here. You cancel these 2 zeros. We get rupees 30. Okay. So therefore the cost of 20 charts is equal to rupees 30. Understand, children? Good. Children, now we see exercise 1.3, 7th question. Find the product of the following. So you see the first one, 3.6 multiple 0.3. So you know that 6 3s are 18, remaining 1, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay. So here 10. So now how many decimal places here? 1, 2. Okay, so put the decimal point after 1 digit, 2 digits. Okay, so 1.08 is the answer. Understand, children? Okay, now see here. See, just you multiply with the 1. So what comes here? 5, 2, 3. Okay, so here 1 decimal, here 1 decimal place. Okay, so totally 2 decimal places. So you put the decimal point after 2 digit. 1, 2. So 5.23. 5.23. Okay. Now see the third question. So 537.4 multiple 0.2. So multiply by 2. Just you no need to see this decimal place. Just remove that. Now multiply. What comes here? See, this is equal to 4 2s are 8. Then 7 2s are 14. Remaining 1, 3 2s are 6. 6 1 is 7. Then 5 2s are 10. Okay, so that is 10. Okay, now see here how many decimal places? 1, here 1. So totally 2 decimal places. So you put the decimal point after 2 digit. So what comes here? See here 1, 2. 2 after 2 digits. Put the decimal point. So 107.48. Okay. Okay. Now see here. See here 6 6 are, you know that 36. 36. Okay. So, but here 2 decimal places there, here 1 decimal place, here only 2 digits, okay. So, you add 1 0 before, okay. Then 1, 2, 3, after 2 digit, after 3 digit, you put the decimal point, okay. So, what is the answer? See, 0.036, 0.036, understand, children? Okay. Now, once again see, 6 6 are, no need to see this decimal point, okay. Just you, what are the numbers here? Here 6 dash 6, okay. So 6 6 are 36, okay. Here 2 decimal places, in this number 1 decimal place. So totally 3 decimal places we need, okay. So here 36 only, no, so you add 1 0. So 1 2 3, 3 digit after you put the decimal point. Listen, children. So 0.036 is the answer, okay. Okay, now see here, here, so you multiply this numbers. So what comes here, see, 3 2s are 6, then here also 6, 6 3s are 18, okay, then multiply with the 2, so 2 2s are 4, here 4, that 12, okay, so what comes at 6 0, here 12 plus 1 is 3, then remaining 1, okay, so 4, here 1. Understand, children? So now how many decimal places here? Here 2 decimal places, here 1 decimal. Totally 3 decimal places we need. So 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits, you put the decimal point. Okay. So what is the answer? So the answer is 14.306. The answer is 14.306. Understand, children? Good. Now we see here multiply. You no consider to decimal points. Okay, just you see the numbers only. Here 1 or 2, here 5. Before zeros, no value. So just you take here 5. Here 1 or 2, 5. Okay, multiply with the 5. So what comes here? See, so 10. So here 0 only no. So 10. Here 5. So that is 510. Okay. So now see how many decimal places here? 1, 2. In this number, 2 decimal places. In this number, 2 decimal places. So totally 4 decimal places we need. Okay. So here only have 3 digits. Okay. 3 digits. So you add 1 0 before and put the decimal point here. Now see how many decimal places? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So here 0. So the answer is 0.0510. This is the answer. Okay, understand, children? Okay. Now see this 0, no value. So just you write 0.051 is the answer. Okay? Okay. Now here multiply, see the numbers only. Here 1005, here 105. Okay? Okay. Now multiply that 5 5s are 25. Okay? Then 1 0. Okay, here 0. Then 5 is 5. Okay. Then here multiply by 0, 0 only comes. Okay, now here 1. Multiply with the 1. So what comes here? 5, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Okay. Now add this all. 5, 2, here 5, 5, 0, 1. Okay. So, okay. Now, how many decimal places? Here 2 decimal places. Here also 2 decimal places. So, you put the decimal point after 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, here. Okay. So, 10.5525 is the answer. Understood, children? So, the answer is 10.5525. Okay. Good. Now, see here. This sum. Here, don't consider this decimal point, just you multiply the numbers 10101 multiplied with the 1. Okay, so what comes now? 10101. Okay, okay. Now before zeros, no value. I said no. Okay, so you take only 1. Okay, and now how many decimal places? Here 2, here 2. So totally 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the point here. Okay, so what is the answer? 1.0101. Understand, children? That is the answer. So now come here. You don't consider first this decimal points. Just you take 10001 multiple 11. Okay, 11. Okay, so what is the answer? What comes answer? See 10001 again. 10001. Okay, so now here 10011. Okay, understand, children? So now how many decimal places? Here 1 decimal place, here 2 decimal places. So you put the decimal point after 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3. So you put the point here. Okay, so what is the answer? See. 110.011 is the answer. Children, now we see exercise 1.3 objective type questions. That is the eighth question number. Okay, so 1.07 multiple 0.1. So any number multiplied by 1, that's the same number. Okay, so just you write 107. Okay, here how many decimal places? Here 2, here 1. So totally 3 decimal places we need. So 1, 2, 3, put the decimal point here and 0. 0.107 is the answer. Which option is the correct option? C. Second option is the correct option. Okay. Okay. Now see the ninth question. 2.08 multiple 10. Okay. So any number multiplied by 10 means just you add the one zero. So 2080. Okay. Here how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. So you put the decimal point after 2 digits. Okay. You strike out this 0. Okay. So what is the answer? 20.8. Where is the 20.8 answer? Which option? The first option is the 20.8. Okay, so first one is the answer. Okay, see here, 10th one. A frog jumps 5.3 centimeter in one jump. Jump 5.3 centimeter. Okay, so the distance traveled by the frog in 10 jumps. 10 jumps. Okay, so one jump is 5.3 centimeter. So how much for 10 jumps? The distance, how much distance covered for 10 jumps? Okay, so just you multiply 5.3 into 10. Okay, so here any number multiplied by 10 means, so you put one 0, 53 0. Okay, so 530. So now see how many decimal places? Only one decimal place is there. So here you put the decimal point at 0. Okay, see 5.3 multiple 10. Understand, children? So the answer is 530. Only one decimal place. So you put the decimal point here. You cancel this 0. Okay. So what is the answer? So 53.0 is the answer. Okay. So 53.0 centimeter. Okay. So that's the third option is the correct answer. Understand, children? Good. Thank you, children.